Mercury. Mercury is the smallest of the major planets in the solar system and the closest to the Sun, with a size of about 38% that of Earth. It has almost no atmosphere, so surface temperatures range from 430 degrees Celsius during the day to minus 180 degrees Celsius at night. Its surface is covered with craters formed by asteroid and comet impacts, while deep valleys and fissures were created as the planet cooled and contracted. The core, mostly made of iron, makes up about 85% of the planet, much more than Earth, giving Mercury a high density despite its small size. Gravity on Mercury's surface is about 38% of Earth's, meaning objects weigh significantly less than on Earth. Mercury rotates very slowly on its axis, completing one rotation in approximately 59 days, while its orbit around the Sun takes 88 days, the fastest of all planets. The surface also includes regions with large volcanoes, lava plains, and ridges formed from the contraction of its crust. A thin outer layer of dust and rock, known as regolith, covers much of the surface, giving it a moon-like appearance. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and is almost the same size as Earth, with a diameter of about 95% of Earth's. It has a dense atmosphere composed mainly of carbon dioxide, with layers of thick sulfuric acid clouds that create a strong greenhouse effect, resulting in temperatures around 465 degrees Celsius, making it the hottest planet in the solar system, even at the poles. Surface pressure is about 92 times that of Earth, equivalent to being nearly 900 meters underwater. Venus's surface features large volcanoes, extensive lava plains, and deep valleys, indicating intense volcanic and tectonic activity in the past. There are fewer craters than on Mercury due to the ongoing resurfacing processes, while layers of regolith, dust, and rock fragments cover much of the surface. In the upper atmosphere, winds reach speeds of up to 360 kilometers per hour, circling the planet in just 4 days. Gravity on Venus is about 90% of Earth's, so objects weigh almost the same as on Earth. Venus rotates slowly and in the opposite direction compared to Earth, completing one rotation on its axis in approximately 243 days, while its orbit around the Sun takes 225 days. This means a day on Venus is longer than a year, a unique feature in the solar system. Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only known planet with life. It has a diameter of about 12,742 kilometers, making it larger than Mercury and slightly smaller than Venus. Its atmosphere is mainly composed of nitrogen and oxygen, allowing liquid water to exist and maintaining moderate temperatures, with an average surface temperature around 15 degrees Celsius. About 71% of Earth's surface is covered by water, including oceans, lakes, and rivers, while the remaining 29% consists of continents and islands, featuring diverse habitats and geological formations, such as mountains, valleys, and volcanoes. Earth has active tectonic activity, with moving lithospheric plates causing earthquakes and forming new geological structures. The planet rotates on its axis in approximately 24 hours and completes an orbit around the Sun in 365 days, creating the cycle of days and seasons. Earth has a single natural satellite, the Moon, which influences tides and helps stabilize the planet's axial tilt. Earth's magnetosphere protects the surface from solar radiation and charged particles from the solar wind, maintaining conditions suitable for life, while ongoing geological and atmospheric activity continuously shapes the planet in a dynamic balance. Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and is known as the red planet, due to the reddish hue of its surface caused by the presence of iron oxide. It is about half the size of Earth, with a diameter of approximately 6,779 kilometers, and has a thin atmosphere mainly composed of carbon dioxide, with surface pressure around 0.6% of Earth's. Mars's surface features large volcanoes, including Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano and mountain in the solar system, deep valleys such as Valles Marineris, and extensive lava plains and dust-covered regions. Gravity on Mars is about 38% of Earth's, so objects weigh significantly less. Mars rotates on its axis in roughly 24.6 hours, similar to Earth, while its orbit around the Sun takes 687 days, almost 2 Earth years, creating longer seasons. Mars has 2 small moons, Phobos and Deimos, likely captured asteroids, and its magnetic field is very weak, limited to small regions, unlike Earth's global field. Scientific exploration of Mars through missions such as the Curiosity and Perseverance rovers has revealed important evidence of past water, geological structures, and potential signs of microbial life, making Mars one of the most intriguing planets for study in future missions. Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest planet in the solar system, with a diameter of approximately 142,984 kilometers, more than 11 times that of Earth. It is a gas giant, composed mainly of hydrogen and helium, with no solid surface, and has a low density compared to Earth. Its atmosphere features striking cloud bands, cyclones, and storms, with the most famous being the Great Red Spot, a massive storm larger than Earth that has raged for at least 400 years. Jupiter's atmosphere moves at extremely high speeds, creating bands and zones with different colors and dynamic patterns. Gravity at the top of its clouds is about 2.5 times that of Earth, so objects weigh significantly more. Jupiter rotates very quickly, completing one rotation in just 9.9 hours, giving it a pronounced oblate shape with bulging poles. Its orbit around the Sun takes 12 Earth years, meaning 1 year on Jupiter is equivalent to 12 Earth years. Jupiter plays a central role in the dynamics of the solar system, as its gravitational influence affects the orbits of asteroids and comets, while its large moons provide immense scientific interest for studying planetary composition and history. Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest planet in the solar system, with a diameter of approximately 120,536 kilometers, nearly 9.5 times that of Earth. It is also a gas giant, composed mainly of hydrogen and helium, and has a very low density, so low that it could theoretically float in a giant ocean of water. Saturn's most distinctive feature is its ring system, made of ice and rock particles of various sizes, extending thousands of kilometers around the planet, creating a spectacular display. Its atmosphere shows bands and cloud layers, similar to Jupiter, but storms are smaller and less intense. Gravity at the top of Saturn's clouds is about 1.07 times that of Earth, so objects weigh almost the same. Saturn rotates rapidly on its axis, completing a rotation in a roughly 10.7 hours, which causes a pronounced bulge at its poles. Its orbit around the Sun takes 29.5 Earth years, almost 3 decades for a full Saturnian year. Saturn also has a strong magnetic field, about 578 times stronger than Earth's, creating a massive magnetosphere that protects the planet from solar radiation and charged particles. Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and an ice giant, with a diameter of approximately 50,724 kilometers, nearly 4 times larger than Earth. Its atmosphere is composed mainly of hydrogen, helium, and methane, with methane absorbing red light and giving the planet its distinctive blue-green color. The planet does not have a solid surface but consists of a mixture of ice and gas around a rocky core, and is surrounded by faint rings, thinner and less prominent than Saturn's. Uranus's most unique feature is its axial tilt. It rotates on its side with an axis tilt of about 98 degrees, nearly parallel to its orbital plane. Gravity at the top of Uranus's atmosphere is about 0.89 times that of Earth, so objects weigh slightly less than on Earth. Uranus rotates on its axis in roughly 17.2 hours, while its orbit around the Sun takes 84 Earth years, resulting in very long seasons of about 21 years each. Neptune. Neptune is the eighth and most distant planet from the Sun, known as an ice giant, with a diameter of approximately 49,244 kilometers, slightly smaller than Uranus. Its atmosphere is composed mainly of hydrogen, helium, and methane, with methane giving the planet its characteristic deep blue color. The planet does not have a solid surface but consists of a mixture of ice and gas around a dense rocky core. Its atmosphere is dominated by extremely strong winds, the fastest in the solar system, reaching speeds of 2,100 kilometers per hour, creating storms and clouds with moving shapes and distinct color bands. Neptune also has faint rings and a strong magnetic field, about 27 times stronger than Earth's, which shields the planet from solar radiation. Gravity at the top of Neptune's atmosphere is about 1.14 times that of Earth, so objects weigh slightly more than on Earth. Neptune rotates on its axis in roughly 16.1 hours, while its orbit around the Sun takes 165 Earth years, resulting in decades-long seasons. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you very soon in the next video.